Karen is buying two cards. One has code A on it and one has code C. So how much does Karen pay? It's going to be 95p, and then we need to convert the £1.65 into pence, or you could convert them both into pounds. So I'm going to go with pence for the moment. Now this is a calculator question, so best just put it straight into your calculator. 95 plus 165 is going to be 260. This then becomes £2.60. Okay, really important because the answer has a little pound symbol in it on it that we use pounds. Of course, you could have gone straight to pounds by changing 95p to pounds, 0.95 plus 1.65, and then put in that in your calculator. Just to make sure that you put the zero on the ends. Like often you get away with just writing that, but really because we're dealing with money, you should also indicate that there's 0 pence. That's the one time you put a zero on the end, whereas normally you would round it to 2.6. Tariq pays for two cards. Both cards have code D on them. Tariq pays with a £10 note. So this £1.95, so it's going to be two lots of £1.95. That's how much it will cost. Okay, I'm just going to show enough working. We won't get marked on it, but hey, it's all right. £3.90. And then how much change is there? So that means that we pay with £10. It costs £3.90. What is the remaining amount? So we just need to do 10 minus 3.9. And you can actually use the answer button rather than typing in 3.9. It'll be the last stored answer. And that will give us 6.1 or £6.10. Finally, Greg pays for two cards and he pays £3.60. What could the card be? All right, and there's two possible answers. Let's have a little look at this. So it might just be worth just trying to add some together, to be honest. I'm going to change that 95p one to 0.95. Now I'm going to have to add it to a large price to get to £3.60, but actually that's not enough. So what about the £1.25 one with £2.35? There we go, £3.60. You might have been able to spot that without adding them up. You know, if you add the pounds, you get three, and if you add 25 and 35, you get 60, £3.60. But we can always check with our calculator. So B and E is one possible answer. So I've actually ruled out that 95 can go with anything. I've seen that actually B and E can go together. So that probably just leaves C and D. £1.65 plus £1.95. And that does indeed also equal £3.60. So B and D or C and D.